Okay, so this is to show how my code works. I added some more features, like for example here I imported the time module simply because I was getting really tired of waiting for the data to load in the with the large data set, and I wanted to know how long it takes. So it takes about 10 to 12 seconds. So that's why I added this, and I also wrote a while loop so the program doesn't stop or crash after running a search, but it just asks for another two inputs for names. Okay, so first I'm going to run the program with a small data set because it's easier. So loading the data is super fast here. It took 0 seconds. And I'm going to try Kevin Bacon and Tom Cruise. There goes, Tom Cruise. So this is fast. 1 degree of separation. They start in the same movie. Okay, I'm just going to crash this real quick. And then I'm going to run the program with a large data set right here. So this will take some more time to load the data. I think it should be like 10 seconds. We'll see. So this was one reason why I implemented a while loop, because I didn't want to wait every single time, like for every search, to load the data anew. Alright, so let's try the same thing. Kevin Bacon and Tom Cruise first. Kevin Bacon, which Kevin Bacon, 102, and Tom Cruise. Again, found the same thing, they start in the same movie. Alright, let's do the example that was shown in Project Zero. Emma Watson, it was Jennifer Lawrence, I think. There. So that was fast too, 3 degrees of separation. And the interesting thing here is I ran this search with Emma Watson and Jennifer Lawrence a bunch of times, and every single time I get 3 degrees of separation, but every single time I get different paths. So they repeat after some time, but the next thing I'm going to implement outside of the program, like outside of the course, is I'm going to write a function that finds all possible paths with the lowest degrees of separation and just shows them, because I think it will be interesting. Okay, let's try something else. Maybe let's try Morgan Freeman and... oh, of course. Okay, Morgan Freeman, not Freeman. So I have to reload the data real quick. Sorry about that. Morgan Freeman and Sarah Shaw. Let's try this. 2 degrees of separation. Maybe who else was I looking for? Let's try someone else. Sofia Vergara and let's say Longoria. Takes a bit longer, that's good. So that took about 5 seconds and they're still only 3 degrees of separation apart. So I was trying really hard to find people who were further apart. I think the most I managed was like 4 degrees of separation, but I never got like 5 or 6. So I'm just going to run over this code real quick. As I said, I imported this time module because I wanted to time first how long it takes the data to load, and second, I wanted to compare how long it takes these different searches. Then I implemented a while loop right here so that especially with a large data set, the data wouldn't have to load every single time because that got really annoying real fast. Yeah, here's where I timed the different things. And then here's the code that I implemented that I'm going to upload in a few minutes. And that's it. It was a lot of fun. And I'm looking forward to the next project.